Are you struggling to connect your Ps4 controller to your PC using Ds4Windows? Let's dive into some troubleshooting to get you back in the game. First, make sure Ds4Windows is actually running on your PC. Look for the Ds4Windows icon in your system tray, down by the clock. If it's not there, launch the program. Next, check the controller's connection status within Ds4Windows. It should display if a controller is connected and its profile. If it doesn't show it, the problem could be with the connection method. Are you using Bluetooth or a USB cable? We'll start with the USB method. If using USB, make sure the cable is securely plugged into both your Ps4 controller and your PC. Try a different USB port on your computer. Occasionally, some ports have issues. If the controller is still not recognized through USB, navigate to the Settings tab in Ds4Windows. Check the Hide Ds4 controller option. If it's checked, uncheck the box. Sometimes your computer is trying to use its own default drivers that might be interfering with Ds4Windows. If you are still facing issues, your drivers may be the problem. Open Device Manager on your Windows PC. You can search for it in the search bar. Expand Human Interface Devices. Look for anything that mentions controller or wireless controller. Right-click on these and select Update Driver. Tell Windows to automatically search for drivers online. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling the device and restarting your PC. Then plug your controller back in. This can sometimes solve driver conflicts. If you're using Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your PC and that your controller is in pairing mode, usually by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Go into your Windows Bluetooth settings and manually connect your controller by searching for devices. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Ps4 controller to connect and work with your PC for an awesome gaming experience. If you are still facing problems, make sure to check out the Ds4Windows guides and forums.